what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Only1BrownBear. And I gotta get used to saying that, man, because I'm so used to saying 392 Brown Bear. With another video, yes, y'all do see the Hellcat in the background. I know I've been going away for a little bit, man, but with this coronavirus going on, man, it's hard to do anything. You go to work, you're real cautious at work, you really don't want to do nothing, you just want to get home and shower, make sure you're good to go for the next day, you know what I'm saying? But this video today, I will be reinstalling the Wicker build from Betty White. I did take her off of Betty White. Now I have to order a new diffuser because I tried to take the old diffuser off of Betty White and it actually broke. So right now we'll just be putting the Wicker bill on. I'm kind of scared to order parts right now with all this virus stuff going on because I don't know what part of the world the parts are coming from, and I don't want any virus coming over to the crib. So it's gonna be a minute before we see anything being bought for the car. But she will be getting some exhaust work done soon. I would like to buy an intake, but like I said, I'm scared to order anything right now. But man, this pollen is killing me, so y'all bear with me. So yeah, let me go ahead and get set up, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, now that I got all set up for the Wicker build install, hey, now I found out why they put these on the cars for us. They're holders, they're like little stands. So if you still got the banana peels on your car, this is the actual use for them. So don't let anybody tell you guys otherwise to like take them off your car and throw them away. Do not throw them away, they do come in handy. They are for sale if you want them, but you know, just let me know. But this is what they are used for, to stand. But yeah, like I said, got set up. The tools you're going to need to install the Wicker build. You're going to need a Ryobi drill, some masking tape, and of course your pilot bits, and of course the rivet gun, plus your rivets. If you don't have any, you can buy the whole set off of Amazon, which my neighbor let me hold his, so I didn't have to go and do that. But yeah, so here's the before. All right, y'all, so right now what I'm doing is finding the center, which I'm gonna line the center of this Wicker build up with the reverse camera. All right, we still good. Yep. And that's why you need the masking tape, because you know it is a two-person job, but you can still do it with one hand, with just yourself. So where you would like your Wicker build to sit, and then just get to work. Now you are going to need a 3/8 drill bit to do the drilling. So that's the size of the holes that they recommend. So a 3/8 drill bit. This is always the worst part. Ain't no turning back once you get started. Oh man, it's scary. I've always hated doing this part. All right, 1, 2, 3, let's get it. All right, y'all, here we go. We got our holes pre-drilled. It's to my liking. Like I said, the Wicker build is always to your liking. If you want it to sit high, you want it to sit flush, it's up to you. You just want to make sure your holes are drilled properly Just want to make sure the holes are drilled properly, because if not, then when you go to put the washers in, they're going to be offset and the screw's not going to want to screw in properly. So that's crucial. You need 9 of these, and make sure you have all your screws. You need the rivet gun. You need to make sure you have your tool to drill those in. And right now I'm getting ready to drill these holes out to full 3/8, because right now they're like a half, I think. Because I kind of gave myself a huge scare, because I would have had to buy a whole nother wing if that was the case. So what I did was I was trying to drill a 3/8 and I messed up and ran it to 7/16. Yeah, stupid me. But so what I just took the time to do is I took one of the riv washers, and I installed it on the riv gun, and lo and behold, I was still able to flare it out to where it still fit. So I am good. I am in the clear. So yes, I was gonna be highly upset, but it is what it is. So let's get back to it. All right, y'all, so I got all the holes drilled out to full 3/8. I got the rivets in. Now we just need to go ahead and flare them. And I don't know if you guys can see right here. There you go. So we got them all installed just for fitment purposes. So yeah. All right, y'all, so y'all seen my mom on the channel, y'all seen my son. I told y'all, if y'all watch my short story on, my life, I told you my dad was gone for a little bit, but he's back home now, so I'm gonna introduce him to the channel. Y'all gonna see a lot of my dad and a lot of my mom on the channel, because y'all know about Little Brown Bear. And also I gotta get my nephew on the channel a little bit more. But here go my dad, y'all, so say what's up to YouTube, Pops.
What's up? What's going on?
Good to be home.
Good to be home.
Y'all, so he been looking at cars. I've been trying to talk him into getting a Charger or a Challenger, but my mom over here don't want him to do that. She says it's too fast for him. Y'all said, how you feel?
It's not too fast. It's not too fast, right, baby?
No, it's not too fast. Hi.
She play innocent now.
Play innocent, right? All right, so we gonna see what he gonna end up getting. We already been talking about something, so we'll see, y'all.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. So tatted up, fam. We stay tatted up around here. So we're gonna get that full sleeve here soon. Come on, y'all. Come on, little ashy ankles, girl. Little ashy ankles off my YouTube channel. All right, y'all. So I got everything pressed in. As y'all can see, I got all the riv nuts pressed in, so we're good to go. Now the last part is just installing the Wicker bill, and that's the easiest part. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. Here you go. Wicker bill is complete. Look at it, man. It looks so good. God, it looks so good. So yeah, got everything done. Like I said, it doesn't take long when you know what you're doing and you have the tools that you need to do the actual project. So it does not take long. It just, if you don't have everything, it's your first time doing it, it is time consuming. Let me give you the backdrop look. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, like I said, had to throw a little video in for y'all, man. I know I've been gone. Wicker bill video is done. Pretty much a wrap. Hey, but listen, from me to you, with everything going on out here, y'all just be safe, man. Be smart. Stay sanitized. Got bees flying around me, so don't mind me if y'all see me kind of fidgety. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, just stay sanitized. Social distancing, man. We need to practice that. Let's get rid of this virus, man. Everybody not listening. That's why it's taking forever to get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? So I got things I need to do. You know what I'm saying? I want to see my friends. I want to hang out with the peoples. Man, we all do, man. But, we got to abide by what's going on. You know what I'm saying? They gave us a lockdown. Hey, I mean, it really wasn't a lockdown, but they said it was a lockdown. People were still out and about. You know what I'm saying? I was one of them. I had to run some errands, but I came right back to the crib. You know what I'm saying? So I said, man, let's just do what we got to do to get rid of this coronavirus, man. You know what I'm saying? It turned into a weapon. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know they say the flu was bad, but man, I feel like this is just as bad, but just in its own way. You know what I'm saying? 100 people just died in New York last night. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy. You know, I had a friend of mine, close friend, live right up the road. Her aunt just passed away from it. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace. You know, so that's too close to home. You know, people saying, I don't believe it's real, but you know, like I said, I know someone that has a family member that passed away from it. So it's real, you know what I'm saying? So let's just be safe, be smart, and stay clean. Like, let's just do what we gotta do, man, so we can enjoy this beautiful summer, sunny days, you know what I'm saying? Look at it, it's beautiful out here, man. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's beautiful. But, you know, just because it looks good don't mean it's good for you, if you know what I'm saying. But, it's your boy, Only1BrownBear. Y'all be safe. I'm out. I'm just joking. I'm joking, but I'm not joking. But, you know what I'm saying? So let's just be aware of